Good afternoon everyone, so today we're at a 2011 Suzuki Jimny. The job we're doing today is replacing the bushes on, what's that called? The swinging arm, control arm. So there's three bushes, one, two, there's a third one up there. That's no Roddy, the bushes at the end. So, he's replacing them with polyurethane bushes, and boy, with a bit of struggle to get them in, but I think we've worked it out now. Keep squashing. So we get the old one out. You just have to use the best bench press. Bench press? No. Press, is that enough? Just a wee bit more, lad. Wee touch. That day. Right. So you've got the wider, deeper one at the bottom, and then the one that's going to push out at the top. Right. I'll just let Roddy do the work as usual.
Aye.
Good lad. Now, I must tell without a lie, I've been doing most of that work today, Roddy, is that right?
Yes, you've been good today.
I've taken my tablets.
Yeah.
There we go.
Is that iron blue?
Iron blue, here we go. You should hear a crack usually. Oh, there we go.
That's tight, that.
Is it tight?
Yeah.
Not going quite the right way.
Not going quite right away.
We need to get a lubrication on it.
Yeah. Some lube in it.
I'll do the job. Oh, we're away now. They're just slightly cobbled, as we would say in these parts of the world. Good exercise that.
Oh, right.
We're going to the darts tonight.
Listen to these pipes.
Aye, right. Oh, sorry, the audio wasn't working right, we're away now. So this should just crack out. That's it. Oh, there we go, a thing of beauty. Lovely.
The rust on that.
That's it. Murder. And this, the bit we put in should come out lovely as well. Maybe.
Maybe, yeah.
Wee bit of rattle for a hammer. No. What do we do with the hammer? There we go. Oh dear doctor.
That's a rust.
That's it. Now to get the new one in, or new ones in. So once you've pressed them out, you've got to give them a good clean. Like so. These ones aren't too bad actually, but hey, they're alright. See, pretty good, eh? I'm seeing that. That's no bad, eh? Then you use this stuff, what's it called? Slip something. Aye, pasta. Oh dear no. You lubricate in there, and you need this to get the bushes back in. And here's the polyurethane bushes, and the most important thing is to lubricate this lip, so that's where it enters in. Alright lad! So we just simply take that and put it on the bench press. And we just spread the load at the top there. And that's it, my man. I'll get another one just to take up the space. Aye, aye. Is it not? Oh, where did it go?
Oh, here, see. Like that.
Right. So you've just got to try and get as square as possible. Easier said than done. And this thing squashes down to about what, an eighth of its size.
Aye. You think it's never going to go.
That's it. You've got to have an eye for a job like this.
It's kinking a wee bit.
A kinking eye. I think it's.
Turn a wee bit. Just
Aye, it is. It's starting to go. No. We done it better with the camera, wasn't he? How's that, my man? So here we go.
You like that gate up there? It's open.
There we go. Right, it's right tight at the top here. There we are.
so much play in it. Flex.
Right, that's straight already.
Not there.
Aye. Are we bolting do it? Are we bolting doing the hangway? I think we're bolting doing the jack.
Could be.
I think that's what's wrong.
We're going to need more than that.
So here we go. Squashing it in. Going nice and straight, I think. Aye, it is. That's good. Just keep ram it home, lad.
Oh, well, I was a hero today.
What happened?
Well, we were doing at that bus stop at the New Market,
There we go. You see it just fell in.
waiting on a bus, the bus driver on it.
So you took the bus.
That says, look, I used to drive electric trains.
That means you've got absolutely no skill. That's you're fit just to sit down and shut your mouth.
When I flew to McGill's,
Oh.
waiting here, Falkirk, #1 bus for Maddiston. No driver turned out for this year.
You could have been the man.
Oh, thanks, mate. Thanks.
Aye.
Hands, thanks very much for doing that.
You're the man. So we put a spacer right at the bottom so it, you can get the lip all the way through. Sometimes it comes through, other times, oh, that was going fine. Other times you need a screwdriver
Was that electric one?
to release the lip. But I think that was fine.
Oh, more thing.
There we go. So clean up the bush and we're all looking good.
Yeah, just a wee bit here.
Aye, just a wee bit.
Screwdriver. Aye.